Humans have milked almost everything with a nipple. Cows, goats, sheep, horses, camels, reindeer, even yaks at 14,000 feet in the freezing cold because someone decided that was worth the effort. And yet there's one animal we've lived alongside for over 9,000 years, raised by the billions, and eaten every single part of, that we have almost never milked. Pigs. Think about how strange that actually is. We eat pork belly, pig ears, pig feet, pig blood, pig intestines stuffed with more pig. There is barely a scrap of a pig that hasn't ended up on a plate somewhere in the world. But the milk? The one thing every mammal on Earth produces by definition? We skip it completely. No pig milk in the grocery store, no pig milk cheese section, no pig milk lattes. Just nothing. And once you start looking into why, the answer gets stranger the deeper you go. Let's start with the obvious question. Is pig milk actually drinkable? Because if it were toxic, this would be a very short video. It's not. Pig milk is completely safe for humans. It's not spoiled, it's not poisonous, and despite old wives' tales claiming it causes madness or sickness, none of that holds up. In fact, by most accounts, pig milk is richer than what you're used to. It carries roughly 8.5% fat, more than double the fat content of cow's milk. Chefs who've actually tasted it describe something warm, tangy, almost sharp, closer to unpasteurized cow's milk than anything else. One Dutch farmer even turned it into cheese and described it as saltier and creamier than anything made from cow's milk. So taste isn't the problem. Safety isn't the problem. Something else is going on. And it's not just chefs who've taken an interest. Scientists have too, for a reason that has nothing to do with cooking. Out of every farm animal, pig milk is one of the closest chemical matches to human breast milk. The fat structure, the way the proteins break down, even the immune compounds in the colostrum, the first milk a sow produces right after birth, line up with human milk more closely than cow's milk ever has. Researchers studying infant nutrition have used pig milk as a reference point for decades, precisely because pigs are so biologically similar to us in digestion and metabolism. So in a strange twist, the one farm animal we never bothered to milk might actually be the one whose milk is most like our own, which makes the myths around it even stranger. For generations, there were whispers in farm